Yo, here's what I wish I would have done as a new YouTuber. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I've been on YouTube since 2007. All right, I've created well over 20 different YouTube channels, and as I'm recording this video right now, I have 3 main channels that I post on. The channel that you're watching right now, which is pretty much based around making money online, working from home, being an online entrepreneur. Then I have another channel, right, all about fitness, BTFL, workouts, supplement reviews, all that good stuff. And then I have my music channel. Looking back, right, on YouTube and having these channels, like, I wish I only would have started with one channel. And that sucks to say because, you know, as somebody who has all these different interests and doing all these different things, like, you want to really express yourself. You really want to get, all your ideas out there. But when you just getting started on YouTube, my opinion is you should just start with one channel and don't even think about starting another channel until your first channel is popping. And what I mean by popping is you got a lot of subscribers, your videos are getting a lot of views every time you drop one, and you're known, right? You already built that channel up damn near that it could almost run on autopilot. You shouldn't even move on to another channel until, like I said, you have that first one going. So when I first started, like, initially I got online period to promote my music back in like 2006, right? I just wanted to get my music heard. I was just looking for places to upload music. But as I was doing that and learning the computer and being online all the time, I started seeing about, like, making money online, like how you can earn extra cash and all this stuff. So I was like, damn, I should have a channel all about ways to make money online. Now, when I wasn't making music or being online trying ways to make money online, I was working out. I was getting certified to be a personal trainer. So at that time, I'm like, yo, I mean, damn, how dope would that be to have a fitness channel? Right? So next thing I know, I got a make money online channel, a fitness channel, and a music channel, right? And it felt good at first, right? I do this, do that, do this. But what happened was, by me having 3 channels and trying to grow them all big at the same time, I feel like it hurt all of the channels at the same time. And as much as it would have probably, like, messed with me mentally just to focus on one, like, that's what I should have did. Because, now, having these channels, almost 15 years, and, like, this is my, I feel like this is my best channel. This is the channel earns me the most money, with affiliate marketing and YouTube ads and courses and things like that. Like, yeah, generates the most money out the 3. So most of my attention does go to this channel, but it sucks because, like, I have all these ideas for my other channel. But my other channels aren't growing because I'm putting so much at a time into this channel. And it's just hard. It's very hard to have, more than one YouTube channel that you're actually trying to grow, to big heights. So looking back, or if you're just getting started with YouTube, I highly suggest that you start with one channel. Even if you got a shit ton of ideas, just start with one channel. And if you really, really can't do that, and you're like, yo, I got too much in me, I got too many ideas, and a lot of people will tell you not to do this, but to me, I feel like you'd be better off doing this than having a ton of other channels. But just experiment on one channel, right? I wouldn't go too drastic, but, like, if you are into fitness and say being an entrepreneur, like, you could put that on the same channel. Even if you're into fitness and maybe, you're into cooking, right? Like, you can have all those on the same channel. I do believe that. Because it seems like YouTube is kind of like the wild, wild west right now. There is no real clear path to being successful on YouTube, because at one point they was talking about, like, yo, like, you can't have a variety channel. You have to be niche down. You have to be very specific. Then you have other people saying, man, just be you. Just show your life. Whatever you into, just do it, right? And build up your brand, build up your following, right? So it's like all these different philosophies, and ultimately you just got to figure out what works best for you. But I will say, just starting out, have one channel. I'm constantly thinking, like, how can I morph some of my channels and put them on one channel, right? I haven't figured that shit out yet. Maybe one day I will, because it is tough to try to build, you know, more than one YouTube channel at the same time. But regardless, I still believe no matter what, whether you have one channel or 10 channels, I do believe YouTube is still a great place to get your brand out there and actually even earn some money. But it will take some work and it will take some consistency. That's for damn sure.